Taking a look at our conditions right now, we have a quad cam of all the different areas here in California: Bakersfield, Sacramento, San Diego, and Los Angeles. Wherever you're spending Mother's Day, it looks like it's beautiful conditions out there here in California. And right here in Bakersfield, we have a beautiful forecast, 82 here in the valley. Valley winds just 5 to 10 miles per hour. We're going to see the sun come out. If anything, we'll just have some sun-thin clouds, but a little bit of breeze will be nice. And those light wind speeds here in the valley right now and in the mountains and desert, picking up just a bit in the Kern River Valley and Tehachapi, as well as out in the desert. And then later on here in the valley as well, 20 in McFarland, 13 in Bakersfield. This is at 10 p.m. tonight, 20 in Tehachapi, 17 up in Lake Isabella, and those will continue throughout the night. And we have a day of moderate air quality with an AQI of 80, so we're still in that moderate range, but it has gotten worse since yesterday, unfortunately. And for the rest of the valley, we're going to be in those low 80s, and for our mountains, we're going to be in those low 60s in our southern mountains, low 70s in the Kern River Valley.